Welcome back to 276 Productions. Today we'll be looking at all of my 1/64 scale tractors. For 500 subscribers, this is what was most voted on. Thank you guys for 500 subscribers. Now let's get to it. First, I've got this case. I don't know what model it is, but I weathered it. So there that is. The next one, we have this International. I would say it doesn't have a model on it, so I would say it's a 1006 or something close to that. Next we have a International 1466 with a cab. Next we have a Farmall Super H, and I custom painted the white seat to match my great grandpa's Farmall H. The next one is a Tractor Supply pulling tractor, and I customized this. The front weights used to be red. I painted them black. Same with the exhaust stack, it was chrome. And then I painted the roll cage and the fenders. Well, I took the stickers off the fenders. Next, we have our Fords. Here's a Ford 901 PowerMaster. I'm pretty sure this is a high crop, but I could be wrong. Next, we have a Ford 8N. Which you can tell the 8Ns from the 9Ns and 2Ns because the 8N has the white fenders and the black, or not the black, but the red frame. The 9Ns are completely gray. They're battleship gray, and I think the 9Ns are battleship, I mean, not the 9Ns, the 2Ns are battleship gray also. Next, we have a Ford Jubilee. Next, we have a Ford 7840 with dual tires. Next, we have a Ford 5000 with dual tires. This is probably my favorite out of the Fords that I have. Next, we're going to start our John Deeres with a John Deere 7520. That's the biggest I have. Then next we have a John Deere 6030, and I just picked this one up from the Keystone Truck and Tractor Museum. This is a good looking one. I like it. Next we have the John Deere 4020 trike. It's a 4020 diesel. Next would be the John Deere 720, which you can get this at Tractor Supply, as well as the pulling tractor. Oh, I forgot I got this John Deere 4440. I guess that's what it looks like, is a 4440. And I customized it some. I'll just set that over there. Next, is a John Deere 630 LP. This is a pretty cool one. It came in a pack with a John Deere Style D. And I custom painted the seat on it. To be yellow, it was just green. Next we have the John Deere D, which came with the 630. I also have the John Deere Unstyled D. Well, I guess it would be a spoker D because the spoked flywheel. This one is in pretty rough shape. It's got, looks like water got on it or something. Next is the John Deere B. Pretty cool one. And then last we have the John Deere 50, which I got for my birthday. So I'll be showing a full video of this soon. Next we have a John Deere 338 square baler. Have the John Deere manure spreader. This one isn't as good a shape, but I got another better looking manure spreader. And that wraps it up for all of my 1/64 scale tractors. Thank you guys for 500 subscribers, and I will see you in the next video.